Hello and welcome. Today, let's talk about 8 different ways you sabotage your happiness. Yes, you are sabotaging your happiness. And of course, you are doing this unconsciously. So let's talk about that. And I'm pretty sure you've heard about the beliefs. What a belief is an idea that we accept as a truth. And during our whole life, we are creating these beliefs on a subconscious way. So we are not aware that we are creating these beliefs. Most of them, they were originated when we were children. Until the age of 2, more or less, since the moment we are in the belly of the mama, when mom is pregnant, this baby is receiving emotional inputs. And from that moment, during pregnancy, until the baby is around 2 years old, all the inputs are emotional. They come from emotional experiences. Let's say if the baby is crying, so imagine that I am the baby. I cry, I receive attention. So I create the belief that the more I cry, the more attention I will receive. This is just an example because maybe I cry and no one came. No one takes care of me. I feel lonely. So I create the belief that no matter if I cry, no one is paying attention. No matter how much I cry, no one is coming. And we create this unconsciously. From the age of 2, 2.5, when this child begins to talk, then we combine this emotional experience with this mental intellectual part. So we give meaning to the feelings, we give words, we label things, we label experiences, and we label feelings using our own way to do that, because we are learning, we are in the process of learning. So we do what we can, really. Then what's the point? So what's the connection between these beliefs and these 8 ways you sabotage yourself? And let me tell you that this is not exclusive for cross-dressers. However, we all experience these 8 sabotaging identities, let's say that, in one way or another. But I will give you examples specific for cross-dressers. So one way you sabotage yourself. One of your sabotaging identities is having the belief that I am not worthy. Something must be broken, something must be wrong in me, and I'm not worthy. That means I am always asking for permission to do things. I am always seeking for the attention outside. And I do my best to be good. So if I am good, maybe eventually I will receive love. If I am good, I will receive attention. So maybe what happened to you is that at some point during your childhood, someone saw you dressing up, and that will be maybe playing with mom's clothes, and you were punished. So you develop that belief, I'm not good, something's wrong with me, I am not worthy. This is one of the sabotaging identities. So let's go to the second one. I'm not good enough. I am not good enough. No matter what I do, mom is never happy. No matter what I try to please others, because when we have this belief, I'm not good enough, we are constantly trying to find this perfection in order to be seen, to be heard, to be understood. So I'm not good enough. The third one, I'm insignificant. I don't matter. So the best thing I can do to keep going with this idea that I am insignificant, I become invisible. I do my best for like really being insignificant. So no one pays attention. I will stay small so that I will feel safe. This is the third one. I'm looking at the paper because I don't want to miss anyone. The fourth one, this is huge. I don't belong. I don't act the way that other children are acting. I feel different because I like different things. So I don't have a place in this human experience. And there is this constant seek of connection, this constant seek of where's my tribe, where's my people? I need a community to belong. Without a community, I am no one. Is this resonating with you? Yeah, I know. I know this is deep. This is deep. Let's go. The fifth one. I'm not capable. So I can't do. I'm not at the same level that others. I need to learn more. I need to do more. So I need another video, another program, another course, another certification, another book, another whatever, because I am not capable. Others are, but not me. The sixth one, I am not perfect. So I have this idea that I am not perfect and I need to be perfect in order to be happy. And that means that I am stuck. I never start things because I know I will not be perfect. Those things will not be perfect. Or maybe I start many things, but I never finish anything. Because the moment I finish, I will know that I am not perfect. Yeah, that was me for a long time. That was me. The seventh, I don't deserve. And what that really means, I don't deserve, is that I need to achieve a certain level in order to be happy. Happiness is something that needs to be earned. It's not something that is for me if I'm not doing the hard work, if I'm not suffer or whatever. I don't deserve. And I don't deserve also means I'm not lovable. I don't deserve love. I don't deserve to share my needs with my partner because something's wrong with me. I don't deserve to fulfill my dreams my desires. So I stay small. And sometimes it's not about identifying yourself with one of these sabotaging identities. Sometimes we have a little bit of each one of them. I know that there is still one. But let me pause for a moment, because I have the feeling that something is resonating deep with you. This feeling of, okay, I am okay the way I am. Deep inside of me, I want more, but I don't deserve. I'm not capable. I'm not perfect. I'm not worthy. I'm not good enough. I am not, how can I say? I'm not enough good partner because I'm not man enough. What does it mean to be man enough? I'm not enough. I don't have enough manhood, whatever it is. So there is always this idea that something is missing in you. And let me tell you, all those beliefs you created unconsciously. But all these beliefs are complete lies. Don't believe any of them. You created in order to survive at some moment in your life. And they served you in the past, but not now. Not now. Now, all these beliefs are preventing you to be happy, to express your truth, to share with your partner, with your spouse. Those are my needs. Those are these small things or not so small things that make me really happy. Maybe it's about makeup. Maybe it's about let's go shopping together. Or just smile when I dress up. Just, I need your support. Please don't criticize me. Please don't judge me. Let's go for the last one, because all of them are connected with the last one. And the last one is, I am not safe. That's why most of you are playing small. You prefer to be quiet, to be silent. You don't know how to talk with your spouse because you're so afraid, because deep inside of you, you have all these beliefs. I'm not good enough. I'm not worthy. So I need this relationship, because if I don't have that, I don't have nothing. And please don't take it personal. I'm just sharing my thoughts with you so that you can understand that you are not these beliefs. Maybe you have some of them deep inside of you, but you are not your beliefs. And you can change them. There is a way to change your rooted beliefs. There is a way to change all these 8 fake identities, because again, this is not your true self. That's deep. I know that's deep. That's deep. So I hope this video will help you understand your journey better, understand your life better. And my intention is not to make you feel uncomfortable. It's completely the opposite. My intention is to give you hope, because the moment you identify what's going on, the moment you identify the root cause of all what's happening, you have the choice to change them. You have the choice to improve them. And if you don't know how to do that by yourself, reach out to me. In the description of this video, you have different ways to contact me. Let's talk. Let me help you. I receive every day messages from cross-dressers telling me, Maria Elena, I'm suffering. I don't know what to do. I feel lonely. I need a partner. I don't know how to talk with my partner. Let me help you. Because recording these videos, I can help you until a certain point, but we cannot go deeper into your specific situation. Let me help you, because you deserve it. You are enough. You are worthy. You are safe. You are perfect. You are significant. You matter. You are important to me. Maybe I don't know your name, but you are important to me. I don't need to know you in order to love you, because yes, you are lovable. You deserve love, and you deserve happiness. Enough for today. Have a great day ahead. And remember to subscribe, share, and comment this video. Love you with my whole heart. Have a great day. Take care.